Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to combine and blend photos in Canva. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you the easiest way to combine photos or blend. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up canva.com. Now, once you're in here, just go to the left panel and click on apps. Alright, we are going to save time in here. Click on apps. Now, once done, go to search bar and type in image blender. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on enter in your keyboard and wait for the apps to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have a ton of options. But the one that works for me is this one, blend image. Just click on it. You can go ahead and use other options in there. So use an existing design or use a new design. I'm just going to click on new design right here. And maybe a Facebook post landscape. Okay, now wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can see here in the left panel, we have the bottom layer and the top layer. So for the bottom layer, that means background. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look for a background. All right, this image right here. And big thanks to Arnaud Gerult for this beautiful image. Now, for the top layer, I'm just going to be using this image right here. All right, I'm going to hit on open. And once that's done, you have the drop down right here for the blend mode. You have darken, multiply, color burn, lighten, and some other good stuff. Okay. Now for this example, I'm just going to be using maybe soft light. Okay. As you can see here, here's a preview. You can go ahead and play around with these options right here. For example, hue, like so, exclusion, color, saturation, hard light, beautiful right here. So I'm just going to click on add to design and it will be landed in here in a few moments. Like so. If you want to, you can go ahead and just stretch it out. Okay. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and click on edit and adjust the image as you wish. Okay. Like temperature right here, tint, like so, brightness. Okay. Contrast, highlights, whites, and more. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Once you're happy with it, just click on share, download it. All right, and once done, go ahead and upload it wherever you want. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.